Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a project. Seems like I'm always doing a project, but today I'm going to be doing this project in my kitchen using this easy liner adhesive contact paper. I'm going to be transforming my kitchen counter from this to this. Alright, so first I'm going to take this contact paper. I got the marble black marble contact paper, and I'm going to I'm going to start by cutting it. So I'm going to take this paper and I'm going to, it has a peel and stick side on it, and this is what it looks like. So you gotta measure. Put it down. I stuck it down and I'm just pulling the back of it up. But I'm gonna take this card and just smooth it out or whatever. So I'm gonna put it down. It's super easy. So all I'm doing is pulling it back off while it's going down. It's going down super easy. And then see, like right there, if it has a hole, all you gotta do is pull it up. And then put it back down. Alright, so I decided to put it on this too, because this was brown just like this, but I wanted it to match, so I went ahead and put it in the middle. And this is the end. And remind you, I'm going to change these to black if I can, so that everything will come together. I'm gonna try to get something to go back there too. But this is it for now. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share it if you're gonna try it. Also, let me know in the comments if you're gonna try it and which contact paper you're gonna use, because I rarely want to know which one you're gonna use. And yeah, I think that's it. So I'll see y'all later in my next video.